मतलब इतनी वेल्थ बनी इस देश में पिछले 30 साल में हमारे मार्केट में, और आज भी हम बैठ के 400 पॉइंट गिर गई, 500 पॉइंट गिर गई. आई थिंक व्हेन यू मस्ट हैव स्टार्टेड योर करियर वी वर एट 2 or 3 or 4,000 cents.
Yeah.
Today we are at 85, 82, 80, 75 and we are complaining all the time. क्योंकि जो हमने ये जर्नी थी किसने देखी?
लेकिन
Indians never made that kind of wealth which we could have made.
some percentage of people have created wealth. Let me tell you that. The reasoning is that some people are very fortunate because India's wealth creation started post your late 90s.
Yes.
I always said when I started my advisory job in 2003, 2004, there was only an HNI.
Yeah.
There was nobody called middle class because disposable surplus आपका खर्चा करने का बाद there was nothing. SIP was not even spoken about.
कुछ नहीं.
So I think now the days are changing.
नहीं, पर आज आपको लगता है कि आपके जो स्कीम्स है, क्योंकि मैं जो एमफी डेटा देखता हूँ उसमें भी ये देखता हूँ जब मार्केट गिरती है बैठ के SIPs बंद करके लोग विड्रॉ.
अभी 2 महीने का पहले का डेटा देखेंगे तो आपको मालूम पड़ेगा that amount of people on the retail schemes generally will find redemption. अभी वॉर का कुछ हो गया, suddenly we'll see redemption. Ultimately, the wealth is created on a long-term basis. You will have all the cycles, Vivek. I've gone through in my personal portfolios. You just have to hold on. You will have the patience will test.